Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to use the night light in Windows 11. First things first, let's go to our start menu, come up to the pin section where we should find our settings. If they're not here, search them here in the search box. Alternatively, right click on the start menu and come up to settings. Once we have our settings open, we want system here on the left hand side. Then we want display here. Now here you'll see night light in brightness and colour. You can turn it on straight away here, and you can turn it off. And it uses warmer colours to help block blue light, which can stop you sleeping at night. You can also go into it by pressing this little arrow here. Again, you can turn it on or off here. But this time, when you turn it on, you can adjust the strength here for how much of the night light you want on. Also, you can turn on a schedule for your night light. So you can choose sunset to sunrise. It gives you the time here, what this will activate on. Or you can actually set your own hours. So this is when it'll turn on. You could say 7 o'clock for instance. Oops. You need to press the tick here at the bottom. And when it'll turn off. So this is 7 in the morning. At any stage you can turn this off. So that's how to use the night light in Windows 11. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.